Yeah, family home for the holidays, but I've been working. They coming for your spot if you don't really put the work in. This past year was full of long nights and longer days, cause in the rap game, nothing is forever certain.
It's about time to do a clutch and get up in there and in high gears and try to accelerate. The thing just slips. So I rode it home yesterday and it's time to do a new clutch. So yeah, let's do a little how-to video for you guys real quick on how to do a clutch on a 1995 Honda Shadow. I got the clutch kit already and the cover gasket, and I got some tools, of course, and luckily for me, I don't know if it's gonna help me really, but it seems pretty simple from what I've seen already. But I have the service manual to this guy. So alright, so first couple things you're gonna want to do is first thing is you're gonna drain the oil. We're gonna do that real quick, and then you're gonna obviously want to get the clutch kit, and you want to get cover gasket, and I got these things all here ready with the service manual. Actually, a couple tools. I'm probably not going to need much, but it seems pretty simple. Make sure you get oil. But yeah, that's all you should need. So, I don't know if you can see it back there, but there's the drain bolt that's behind this little plastic hose underneath, like the kickstand. Over here, there's a little drain bolt right there. Break that loose, and then I got it loose already for you. So this kit came with pressure plates, clutch plates, and some new springs. I'm going to fish them onto here and dump them in oil and let them sit for a while until I finish that, and then you just want to let them lubricate a little bit before you install them. So let's do that. Alright everyone, so I had to take off my exhaust to get to the bolts down here, to all those bolts. I had to take off my exhaust. It was a little tricky. It wasn't too bad, it wasn't too hard, so I just never done it before, so I took that off. I took off the bolts so far. I took off the pin, the first bolt that holds this goes over here. I took that off, so it's dangling. And then this clutch cable goes right there. I took that off, put it up here, so it's just sitting there. And then we're gonna pull this off, and we're going to see what's inside. See how it goes. So I got a little tool here. I'm a glazer, so if anyone know what that is, I work with windows and glass. And I got here a mini pry. Basically, this is a little pry bar, tiny, you can call mini pries. So I found a spot on the top right here. I'm going to pry it against and twist. See, the flat part is against this, so I'm not going to damage anything. And I'm going to make contact, so let's hope. Let's hope. There she is. That's where she is, people. Hey, get your grimy hands out of there. Where did you come from? You think you're gonna work on the bike? Alright everybody, so there's 4 bolts here. 1, 2, 3, 4. They call this the clutch lifter plate right here. Has a little bearing in it, looks like. I see the springs are behind it. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 springs. And so I'm just gonna undo these, and it's gonna come out, and then we'll see what happens. So let's do that. Make sure nothing else falls out inside of it besides springs, I believe. Oh, this is gonna be a lot harder than I thought. Alright. Sweet. So there's these springs that come out. I don't know if I need to reuse these or not. I have new ones ready, so I don't know if I need them or not, but I'm gonna put new ones in anyways, just in case. If anyone knows if they need to be replaced as you do this, let me know. Leave a comment in the bottom. Alright, I'm gonna get this little washer to tap up a little bit. So I had to go and get a 27 socket.